Mom.
See?
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
This. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cute.
So these are pink ribbons that we're making for Mommy's friend Nicole.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nicole. She's sick, so this will make her feel better. Wait, you need more in there. You need a lot more in there, baby girl.
Okay.
Need more. Keep going. You need a lot more in there, baby. Here, there's more in there. Good
Is
job.
it ready?
Fill it all the way up. Do the other part of the ribbon, all through here. Okay, now try. Try slamming it down. Whoa, 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 whoa. Does it look good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay, let's go again.
Let's get baking. Mom, did you make your friend feel better?
This will make my friend feel better. She's gonna love it. She's gonna love it because you made it. And it was made with love.
So gives. You're silly, Mommy.
So is Mommy.
You're sweet. Is that enough?
Maybe. You try it and see. Try it. Okay.
Looks great.
Perfect.
This one all the way up here. Are you kidding me, Mom?
I'm not kidding you, baby girl.
Hi, sweet.